Hi, really simple thing, simple task. Simply just raise your hand and reply to this email or whatever the message is that you're seeing right now. If you know that you have a jealous mother, but you haven't been able to put words to the experience, it just doesn't feel good to be with your mother. Your communication is usually disconnected because she probably can't see, hear, or feel you. She probably struggles to respect you, and she may have been raised in her own origin family, and that story didn't contain unconditional love for everybody in the family. Let's connect. Let's begin to do the deeper work because your life is the best thing that ever happened to you. Truly, it should be. If it's not right now, then let's work together so that you can choose whether that's something you're ready to change.